Okay, I'm Batman. It's my Batmobile. But we're not working on that. We're working on that. I know it's not as cool though. I know it's not cool though, but this rubber sucks. Check it out.
Welcome back, suckers. As Batman said, yes, we are working on my Dirty Max yet again. I think I got a bad batch of gas. Diesel, excuse me. Maybe have some water in it. It told me to change my fuel filter, and so that's what we're going to do today. But I got a guy who's been away for a while. What's up, Rich?
What up?
So let's get started. Okay, so those of you who don't know, your fuel filter is that guy right down there under this little thing. And this little silver piece right here, as you can see, this is the primer, and that's your fuel filter. But the best way to access it is through the wheel well. So we're going to pull this out. What was that?
So much fun. Yay!
So we're going to pull that out, and we're going to get this swapped out.
So, Robbie, what's with that look?
Okay, so this job's not starting off great. Alright, so I went to go remove the inner fender well there, the liner, and
There, right there. That happened. It's just one of them days.
so you can see the fuel filter is right. And this is what helps separate water from your fuel system on these 2008 Duramaxes. Now, I'm going to remove this, and we're going to take this off at the bottom here. It's probably going to drain a little bit, and then we're going to unscrew it from the top, and it should be a quick and easy change. Follow me for more recipes.
Where does fuel go, Robbie?
What is what?
Where does fuel go? Diesel.
Diesel, I don't, what?
It feeds the dinosaurs.
No, the oil's made of dinosaur blood.
It's not diesel. It's fossil fuel, right? Anyway.
Cup of tops. Oh, hey, this is your fuel filter on your 2008 Chevy 3500 Duramax LTZ. I've got to take this bottom part off. This is our sensor in our fuel filter. It's actually pretty easy. Unfortunately, it's like $80 for a replacement. This is a Napa Gold filter that I got from Napa. I'm going to replace it with an equivalent Wix. You can do whatever you want, whatever you feel like, but I'm going to have to go ahead and take the sensor off and then screw this one back on from the cavity that I showed you earlier in the video. I'm covered in gas. It smells like dinosaur blood. Rich is showing you the cavity right now.
Right up there. That's the fuel cavity. And that's the little drain plug.
There's a little thingy.
The thingy that goes in the sensor thingy.
Okay.
So guys, it's been a while since you've seen me. Like typical. Haven't been doing much, but here I am, trying to do things. So, obviously new filter, new housing. Got a new little O-ring here. And then here's the new one for the sensor that I'm currently trying to get off and install. So, stay tuned. We'll have it going in shortly.
You don't know nothing about the Duramax fuel filter and where I'm coming from, because it's mind-boggling to you, yeah! How one component can take the Duramax from the top of the top to the bottom of the bottom all by itself. No pukesters helping it to the left, and no pukesters helping it to the right. But I'm gonna fix it then, and I'm gonna fix it now!
Did you do it?
I got it.
Is it all repaired and fixed?
That's a question for a little bit later. If this solves the issue of the diesel. Yeah. We'll see.
So we got in our hand the new Wix filter, fuel filter, for the 6.6 liter Chevy Duramax 3500 HD LTZ, aka JLO. Those of you who know will know. Now, I'm going to install this. And it's simple.
You just shove it in there?
You shove it in there and you start turning, and it's
righty.
Like, ooh,
righty.
wait a minute. Nope, that's not working. Let's keep going.
Just get up in there.
I'm in there.
Get in there.
Oh, man, I'm in this like a prom date. Oh, there we go. We're starting to get
How
tight.
long ago was that?
How dare you?
Alright. Never mind. Sensitive subject. Everything you got?
Oh my God!
Look at those forearms. Look at those. Ooh.
It's over 9,000!
Alright, and so that's on. We're just going to plug this guy back in.
Don't forget that.
We're just going to give this guy a little bit of a... I don't know, which way does it go in? No?
It only goes one way.
I don't... Yeah, okay. I forgot how I took it out. I think it goes this way. Uh-oh. We are in trouble. Nope, got it. Click.
Your wrench was flexing.
We're in. We've done it. Thank you for coming on this journey with us. Well, we're
Oh, hey. My Batmobile?